Bonjour. Bonjour. Aujourd'hui, nous parlons du temps. Today, we're going to be talking about the weather. So, our weather question here is quel temps fait-il? Quel temps fait-il? Notice this word temps has sort of a nasally sound. We don't hear all the letters here. Quel temps fait-il? I'm going to teach you a few basic weather expressions to get you started in being able to describe the weather in French. Il fait froid. Il fait froid. So notice this OI here makes sort of a wah sound. We don't hear the D. Il fait froid for cold. Il fait chaud. Il fait chaud. Again, we don't hear the D at the end here. Il fait chaud. This AU making an O sound. Il fait chaud. Il fait du soleil. Il fait du soleil. Here's soleil is the sun, so we're just saying it's sunny. Ce sont des tournesols. These are sunflowers. In French, we call them tournesols because they turn towards the sun. So you'll notice that all of my weather expressions so far have used il fait to introduce them, just like the quel temps fait-il that we had in the question. We saw this verb in our question. Now we're going to see a few others that don't use the il fait. We have il y a des nuages. Il y a des nuages. Il y a just means there is or there are, so I'm just saying there are clouds. There's a couple different ways you can say cloudy. Here's another one. Le ciel est couvert. Le ciel est couvert. Le ciel is your word for the sky, so we're just saying the sky is covered with clouds. Here's another with il fait. Il fait du vent. Il fait du vent. Think of a vent in your home or in your car is what blows warm or cool air on you. So vent, il fait du vent is talking about it's windy. Il neige. Il neige. Neiger is the verb to snow, so it's snowing. Il neige. Il pleut. Il pleut. Pleuvoir is the verb to rain, so il pleut just means it's raining. These are nice short little phrases. Il y a un orage. Il y a un orage. Use un orage when you're talking about a thunderstorm. Autres mots utiles, these are some other expressions that might be useful to you. So you saw il fait froid and il fait chaud at the beginning of the presentation. So il fait froid is talking about cold. Il fait chaud is hot. So il fait frais is somewhere in the middle. Usually we use il fait frais for cool weather. So think of maybe a spring or a fall day when it's sort of, you might be able to get away with a real light jacket and jeans and a t-shirt, maybe in the 60s or 50s or so. We might use il fait frais for that. Il fait beau. Il fait beau. You might look at this word here and see the word beautiful in English. So il fait beau, if I use that to describe the weather, I'm just saying it's pretty outside or it's nice weather. Il fait mauvais. Lost my mouse there. Il fait mauvais. Mauvais is bad, so you're just describing bad weather. Il fait mauvais.